Welcome back to Guide to Digital Marketing, powered by Glucotech. So, in our previous videos, we have learned about social media strategies, then how to build your SEO or make it strong, then designing, affiliate marketing, and also about e-commerce. So, in today's video, we are going to discuss about developing websites. So, why do we need websites? The very first question is why do we need websites? Websites gives you a digital business card for your business and to maintain your portfolios. You can also use different ways to maintain your portfolios, like on Facebook or on Instagram or any other platforms. But using websites gives you more professional look. So if you're thinking about professionalism, so websites is good option, and you must have websites. So now, what are the different ways to create a website or develop a website? You can either use website builders like Wix, or different website builders are available. Then you can use different languages like HTML, CSS, PHP for developing a website, or else you can use a WordPress. In my opinion, WordPress is the easiest one to develop a website. WordPress, developing a website in WordPress has two ways. The first way is you can either launch your WordPress website using domain or hosting, and the other way is you can locally install a WordPress. Now, if you are using WordPress or for just for practice purpose, then you can use local WordPress. And if you want to build a website and launch it, make it live, then you must have domain and hosting for developing a WordPress website. So we'll start with the local website. We'll see how to install a WordPress locally without domain and hosting. So to download WordPress, enter Bitnami WordPress download. You can download this version for Windows. Just click on no thanks, just take me to the download. You don't need to sign in. Okay, the exe file has been downloaded. Now you just need to run it and install the WordPress. Select the language. Next. Okay. Yeah. So enter your name. Enter your email ID. So enter your Gmail. enter your login ID. Your password should be alphanumeric. Special characters it won't allow you. Um, Next, make sure you remember the password and login ID so you can further log in into your WordPress site. If you want to edit your blog name, you can. So now installation process may take a while. So we have installed our WordPress successfully. So now you have to enter your details to log into the dashboard so that you can edit your website. So this is dashboard for WordPress site. You can edit your website in this. You can change the appearance, select themes. You need to browse themes and just activate it. WordPress provides you with various plugins which makes your job easy. And that's all. You can customize your website. You can add pages. You can view your website. So thanks for watching this video. For more technical videos and more digital marketing strategies, please follow and subscribe Guide to Digital Marketing, powered by Global. Thank you.